In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and fix the VLC Avcodec error step by step. This is a very common issue that appears when VLC has trouble decoding certain video files, and it can show up as playback errors, missing video, audio-only playback, or error messages mentioning Avcodec. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed in just a few minutes using the built-in VLC settings. I'll walk you through every fix, starting with the most common solution and moving to advanced options if needed. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. The number one fix for the VLC Avcodec error is disabling hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with your graphics drivers and cause decoding errors, especially after system updates. In VLC, click on Tools in the top menu, then select Preferences. At the bottom left, make sure Settings is set to Simple. Now click on Input or Codecs. Look for the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, this is usually set to Automatic. Click the drop-down and change it to Disable. Once you've done that, click Save at the bottom and completely close VLC. Reopen VLC and try playing your video again. In many cases, this alone fixes the Avcodec error. If the error still appears, let's move on to the next solution. The second fix is changing the video output module. This controls how VLC sends video to your display, and sometimes the default output causes compatibility issues. Open VLC again, go to Tools, then Preferences. This time, click on the Video tab. Find the Output setting. From the drop-down menu, try switching between DirectX, OpenGL, or Automatic. After selecting one option, click Save, restart VLC, and test your video. If it doesn't work, repeat the steps and try a different output option. One of these usually resolves display-related Avcodec errors. If you're still having trouble, the issue may be the video file itself. The third fix is converting the video to a compatible format. Some videos use codecs that VLC struggles to decode properly. To fix this, go to Media, then Convert or Save. Add your video file, then click Convert or Save. Under Profile, choose MP4 with H.264 and AAC. This format is widely supported and works reliably with VLC. Choose a destination file, click Start, and wait for the conversion to finish. Once done, try playing the converted file in VLC. This is a very effective workaround if the codec is unsupported or corrupted. The fourth thing you should check is whether VLC is fully up to date. Older versions of VLC can fail to decode newer video codecs. To update VLC, click Help in the top menu and select Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your computer if needed. After updating, open VLC and try playing the video again. Many Avcodec errors disappear after updating to the latest version. Finally, if none of the previous fixes worked, you can reset VLC preferences. This clears out broken or conflicting settings that may be causing the error. Open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom of the window, click Reset Preferences and confirm. Close VLC completely, reopen it, and test your video again. This gives you a clean configuration and often resolves stubborn errors. And that's it. Those are the best ways to find and fix the VLC Avcodec error quickly and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.